So now we are on to our new topic called as a search. Alright. So this is going to be the first topic for the algorithms. Alright. So what are algorithms basically? Algorithms is nothing but a part of your code that is used for specific kind of operations. Okay. It can be searching, sorting, filtering, whatever. So there are different types of algorithms for search, for sort, and things like recursion, and you can also do it like divide and conquer, greedy algorithms, and like memorization, tabulation, sliding window, and two pointer graph algorithms are there. We have studied about BFS, DFS, and the extra algorithm. Bit manipulation we will learn as well, and some mathematical algorithms which are quite important. Alright, string algorithms as well, and then few problem solving approaches which are very important. This is the whole curriculum for algorithms. So now what we are going to do is that first we will start with the search. Alright, and in search first we will be learning about the linear search. Okay, the linear search. So here you will see. Alright, wait a second. Something is wrong. Yeah, so I'll write here the linear search. Alright, here the linear search. So for what it is used, it is the simplest search algorithm. It goes through each element of the array sequentially until the target element is found or the end of the array is reached. Alright, so how does it work? Let me tell you. There's an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Now what will happen is that your algorithm will first go to here and then move on to here and then move on to here and then move on to here, and like this it will proceed. Let's say you want to find the number 5. Find the number 5. Alright. So you reach to 4 and now you reach to 5, means here now it will stop its execution and it will skip rest of these and will return this result. Now okay, I'm getting suggestions from the AI, but we will not be using AI to write this code. I will explain each and every line. Now what if you wanted to find a number less than 8, alright, and greater than 4? So what happens is that this does not satisfy this, and this no, and this 5 is greater than 4 and less than 8, means you stop the execution and return the result. That is how the linear search works. And what is the time complexity? The time complexity is O of n. Alright, we will always be talking about the worst case, okay, because that is the only thing we have to handle. The average case and best case, like I can tell you the best case here is O1 because you can find it initially at the very start, but doesn't matter. You should be able to handle worst of the worst scenarios. We will always talk about the worst case time complexity here. Here it is On, and the space complexity is O1 because you are not using anything else. Okay, you are not creating a map to find what you want. You are not creating a different array. Alright, now don't worry, you will get all the comments, and apart from that documentation about every algorithm that we write. using our source code, so that you literally don't have to worry. What I'm gonna do is that I'm now gonna implement. So what are the steps? Let me tell you the steps. First, what we are gonna do is that we will be starting from the first element of the array, and then what we'll do is that we will compare with target. Alright, if not match, move to next element. If match, return the index or return the element itself, whatever, like this. Now it's time to actually write some code. Okay, what I'll do is that function linear search, and okay, like this. Okay, let me do one thing now. Let me write every line step by step. So here we have an array, we have a target, and we will return the target. No, sorry, we will return the element of the array only. So we will return the number. Okay, we will return the index basically, not null. We will always return the number. We will return -1 if it is not found. So for let element of array here, if element triple equals to target, then return the, like this. But this is an expensive operation because index of will again take the n, so this will become 1 square. So the best thing to do here is for let I equals to 0, and here what we will do, I is less than array dot length, alright, and I plus plus. So const element equals to this current element, and if element is reached, return the index, otherwise return -1. Alright, now we will be calling this function console.log linear search, like this. Now we are going to find the element 5. Alright, we will run this code. Okay, what is happening? Cannot find do Typescript. Understood. No worries. So it's we will install these modules. Alright, I just created a temp index file for that. And I cannot find. Oh, sorry. So guys, I had already fixed these errors on purpose, but why I'm showing these in front of you, so that you start facing any error, you can fix on your own. npm init, yes, npm I Typescript. Now can we run this? Okay, so we are facing this issue again. Alright, we need to set up the ts config as well. I will set up my ts config. Like this. Okay, and let me remove this module will be common. Yes, yeah, it's fine. Yes, yes, next. Alright, let's go for this only, and now it should work. And if it does not work, it works now. Alright, ignore this error for now because you see no inputs were found. Yeah, we don't have that directly, but that is not our concern at all. Now we have to find 5 in this array. So we found it at the index 4. Got it? Let me open the JavaScript debug terminal. I will add a breakpoint here, and if I run this, see, element is 1. Okay, now again element is 2, again element is 3, no, element is 4, but the target is 5, again the element is 5, target is 5, and we return. Alright, yeah. That is how the linear search algorithm works in TypeScript.